Yo, what's poppin', people? It's been a minute. It's been a few days, few hours, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, I probably would have made way more money for two reasons. One being if I actually stepped back and looked at the overall direction, especially on BTC, because that's the one that made me lose most of my trades, I think. I just need to go back. So one account I made 356, but I basically made like the losses that I made. And then extra $90, I guess, because I took stupid trades. And then on the other account I made like $10. I closed early. That's the other reason. I closed way too early on German. I couldn't catch a setup on. Let's start with German. So this is how my entry looked like, right? I scaled to the 1 hour. My price is pushing up. Then around was it? Oh, it was here. It was here. I entered somewhere around here. Yeah, it's like 9 o'clock. Yeah, but my stop loss is just below here. I don't know why this thing is in reverse, but okay. And then it pushed up, pushed down, then started pushing up. Right. This was the one. Yeah. This is the one that made me back my profits because I held it for a bit, and then on the other account. And then UK, I couldn't catch because it's just been rallying up the whole time. And I was looking at the 4 hour. I'm like, yeah, the 4 hour did make an indication. So I thought it would probably like indicate and push back down. But I can see that, you know what, price is not really like, how do I say? It's it hasn't given me the proper sign that okay, it did here, but then obviously it broke these swings, so I was expecting it to at least push up and then push down. But it's just been buying the whole time, bro. Like not even giving me like proper structure, like pushing down. I think it might get here, then push down heavy maybe for a bit, give us a higher low, then we'll take it back up. So this one I didn't take anything. BTC is the one also that made me lose because of this, right? This was the reason. So price pushed up, indicated, came back down, bought up, right? Then it started correcting again. Didn't break structures, right? There's still the structure here, there's a higher low here. So my dumbass thought, okay, price is on a downtrend because look, it broke, gave us a higher low. No, I'm lying. It indicated down here, it came bearish. Okay, pushed down. Then I waited for this candle because like, yeah, it's selling now. It's a lower high. But I forgot the overall narrative is that price on the 4 hour is bullish. One gave us new highs, gave us equal highs, did give us a higher low, did not break structure. It's like damn. So when I lost this trade and I saw price buy up, I'm like, damn, bro, because this with this candle, bro, this was my entry. This was gonna be my entry. Realizing afterwards, when price was pushing up, because it just spiked out of nowhere. This was my entry. Look at that. This was gonna bro. This was like this was such a clean setup, bro. I don't know how I didn't see it, but it's fine though. I forgot the overall of how I do it. 4 hour indicates bullish, then what's this? The correction will be bearish on the 1 hour because it needs to give us that high and low. And then this was the first sign. The first sign, either it could indicate above and I could have taken it here, fine. Or if I see one sign of like it presenting me that it wants to be bullish, which was this. Pushed up, moved down, pushed back up. It did not want to go any lower than this. I was like, that would have been sign number two. Like, oh, okay. But I went off this. I'm like, okay, it's gonna sell off now. Lost money. Then I'm like, fuck, this is an A plus setup, but it's fine. I rushed it, so I still came out on the day profitable over $90. I made back all the losses I made, and yeah, I should have just played this by ear, but it's okay though, because for now, I can't forget the 4 hours gonna give us an indication, right? So it did indicate about these highs now. pushed up. So I needed to do this because 1 hour here is going to be bearish. Then as soon as it gives me signs that it wants to be bullish again, take it back up. And that's what I'm waiting for now. I'm just waiting for it to push down, become bearish on the 1 hour, then indicate back bullish on the 1 hour, then we take it back up. Same goes for all of these pairs. I'm looking to buy all these pairs because it seems that we are on an uptrend right now. So everything. This I closed somewhere here. I could have held it honestly because UK was rallying to the upside and these two pairs move more or less the same. So I could have held, but I'm like, you know what? My rules are once it indicates above, I need to close. Because look what I did. I held here, it indicated, corrected, then just shut the bid. This pair failed me or had a heavy correction. It's fine. This one would have played out well if I still was in it because I entered somewhere here, indicated, corrected, then went back up again. But it's fine. It's fine. We will take it as is. That's it. At the end of the day, it's all about being patient. I didn't take any trades. This is a recap for yesterday, but I didn't take any trades today. I was just watching. Just wanted to close. At least I moved up a little bit on the accounts, but the other one I was down on like $40, but I made 20 back, I guess. So I'm 40. I lost 60, so I made 40. I lost 60, made 20 back, so now I'm 40 down, but the count is still up anyway, so it's fine. So yeah, right now tomorrow's Thursday. I might not see a setup tomorrow, might see it, might not. So for now, we're just waiting for price to do its thing because the 1 hour, because I'm like, I'm seeing high low, I could enter, but then again, the 4 hours just been pushing up. It hasn't given us that high low, so I could have entered, then price just shoots down, and I get stopped out, and I don't want to take those trades because I know how that's played out before. So my ego was like, dog, just take it. You might make it a little something. It's like, yeah, I could, but you never know, bro. Because on all the pairs, on the 1 hour, we are bullish. I'm not gonna lie. See, high low, push up, high low. Could have entered off of these, but it's like, I'd rather wait. If I'm being honest, I'd rather wait because the 4 hour needs to correct. Like if it structure-wise, like look, it did the same thing here. It needs to give structure, bro. It needs to give structure. So I need it to. You can push up as high as it wants. As long as I get that correction, then I'm gonna be calm. Then I'm gonna scale to the 1 hour. The 1 hour works best for me. Because that way it's more solidified. 15-minute, yeah, but just kind of like it hasn't formed the high low yet. So I'll rather wait for the 1 hour to do that for me, and then we'll take it back up. And yeah, so all these pairs I'm just sitting. My ego was kind of bruised a bit because like, fuck, I could have held this trade, but it is what it is at the end of the day. It's fine. I'm not gonna complain. So yeah, we'll just see where price takes us. And yeah, that's it. That's the trade recap, bro. Up $100, both accounts, or both accounts combined. And I should have just waited. I should have forgotten that the 4 hour bias is this. So I need the 1 hour to stop being bearish, and start giving me signs that it wants to be bullish, which it did on BTC. I jumped the gun on this trade. No, I'm not gonna lie, because it was just low bearing fruit, bro. Just pushed up, moved down, because it did break structure, bearish, push back up, bullish. That's what I want. I just need a sign that it's going back bullish. Then take it. Boom. Because this candle spiked. I would have been up. Like, yeah, bro. I would have been up right now. But, living you learn. Just a minor hiccup. But trust me, I got it on lock now. Trust me. But yeah, that's it. Now I need to go lock in on other endeavors. But yeah, that's the trade. That's the trade breakdown. Anyway. Peace.